Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I'm going to be showcasing today is going to be brought to you by the company Megalook. I'm going to make sure to leave some unboxing on the side so you guys can see what it looked like straight out of the box. I did go in and wash this unit, so this is what it is looking like now. I did not add any product, and I feel like the texture of this still looks really good. Now this is their 6x5 Kinky Curly Lace Wig. This one is in the length 22 inches, and it is a 433 color. Is what the lace area looks like. There are no combs on the side, but there is a comb in the back. No adjustable strap. And then you do get this removable elastic band. I wash this unit twice. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. And then I did experience some bleeding from the color during that process. So it did slow down after the second wash, but the first wash, I can really see it. This is what it is looking like on. I do have the strap kind of pulled all the way. Everything is laying down flat to my head. I'm not having any issues as far as the cap being too big or bulky. Everything is nice and comfortable. That is what it looks like on the side. As you can see, I actually have this side pulled up a little bit further. As far as the lace goes, I did add just a very small amount of my Almond tint spray because I wanted this to blend down more to my skin. And you can't really see it, but I do feel like there's just a little bit of lace. Like if I pull it like this, I feel like there's just like a little bit of lace that I could cut down. As far as the hairline goes, they did a really good job with that. It's already nice and plucked out. I am gonna have to go in and add some powder to the parting space area just because, you know, I want it to be open a little bit more. And I'm probably gonna have to fix this parting a little bit. It does come pre-parted as a middle part, but with me washing it and everything, I feel like the parting space is now a little bit wonky. So I am gonna go in and fix that. And the color is looking cute. I feel like it's kind of washing me out right now. So hopefully once I do my makeup and everything and get the curls together, everything will be all good to go. It's going to be a glueless install because everything just fits my head so well. I just don't feel the need to add any type of adhesive spray. Make sure the front of this is melted down really well into my skin. And like I said, I need to trim off a little bit more of that lace in the front, but this is nice and full. So we'll see what it looks like when everything is all put together. And then of course you guys will see me during the styling process, and I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts. on super cute. The hair is really nice and fluffy, and I love the length on it. I feel like the density is not too much. As you guys seen, I did a Glueless install. I went in with my olive oil mousse. I put some around the front of the hairline and kind of just played with swooping the front over a little bit, but just not doing too much to take away from the hairline. And then I also put that same mousse at the top. I pretty much used the mousse all throughout the hair to define the curls, to get everything to lay down really nice and flat. I moved the parting space over just a little bit because y'all know I am like really obsessed with making sure my middle parts are together, and everything came out really well. Now, like I told you guys, I did have to go in with a little bit of my Almond tint spray to get the lace to blend in a little bit better because it was coming off just a little bit lighter after I washed it and blended down fine. I didn't put any powder in the front because it wasn't needed. However, I did put a little bit of powder into the parting space just to make it look more scalp-like because it was looking a little dull, and I'm pretty sure it's because of my cap. I also don't go in with my tint spray all over unless I absolutely have to. I just only focus on the front. Curls are really nice and popping. I feel like they still look just as good as it did after I washed the hair because I was like, man, I really do like the way this looks without any product in it. So it's just nice to see that it's still nice and defined. I went a little bit too heavy with the mousse, but that's okay because everything turned out good still. In the back, it could be dried down a little bit more, but your girl arm was hurting. I was tired. Y'all know that when it comes to diffusing, it does take a little while, especially if the hair is thick. I'm getting a lot of frizziness with this hair. I'm also not getting a lot of flyaways, and the ends look really good. They are a little bit dry though, because even when I was combing through the hair before I added my product, I noticed that the ends were just kind of dry. Everything else feels fine, but because of this color, you are gonna have to make sure to go in and add some type of moisturizing products so it doesn't dry out. You already know this is going to be a higher maintenance unit because of the color, because it probably is going to dry out. You're going to have to wash and take care of this. Give it some TLC, okay? You just can't let this one just go and be like, yeah, I'm okay. Not happening. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I did receive a little bit of shedding during the styling process. Now, once everything dried down, I'm not worried about any shedding going on at the moment. I also don't like to run my fingers through this type of hair once it is defined. But in the nape area, you are gonna have to make sure to go in and refresh because I'm already noticing a little bit of snags. None up here in the front, just in the nape area is where I'm noticing a little bit. Add a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum, and you guys know that's going to help with any frizziness and flyaways and just keep everything looking nice and sleek. That mousse pretty much helps control any type of frizz, and that's probably why I'm not seeing a lot at all. But this hair looks good. It looks good. Like I said, it's just going to be on the higher maintenance side. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. She's definitely cute. I love the color on this because this is one you can definitely rock all throughout the year. I feel like the color is going to look different depending on what type of lighting you are in. If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.